How to build a full stack website with Base44. So in this year, Base44, now a powerhouse under the Wix umbrella, has redefined vibe coding. It is no longer just a site builder, it is a conversational engine that generates full stack applications, complete with databases, authentication, and logic, simply by talking to it. So if you can describe it, Base44 can build it. So the AI platform is turning prompts into products in minutes. Whether you're a founder building an MVP or a developer looking to skip the repetitive setup, Base44 is the answer. And we're going to build a fully functional SaaS dashboard from scratch, and we're doing it all through conversation. Let's dig into it. And of course, in order for you to start working, we need to create an account. So for that, just press on start building. And in here you have a simple choice, just like anywhere. As you can see, I'm already being offered to sign in very quickly. You can choose to sign in or sign up with a Google or your generic email address. So I'm just going to continue here. And as you can see, it only takes a few seconds to either create an account or log in. That's pretty much our dashboard. And in here, guys, as you can see, this is where we work. We have the apps and super agents, and of course our prompt field where we input our ideas. And of course, don't forget to describe them as well as you can. Add as much detail as possible. Don't overclutter it with too much, of course, but you need to explain your idea as efficiently as possible. And in terms of the interface, guys, you have the home where you can start inputting your prompt, which I will of course get into in a bit. We have all apps. So these are the apps that you have created. As you can see, I have 3. Then we have the templates that you can use to create applications. So these just simplify your work. And if you don't want to start from scratch, you can take someone else's kind of an idea and then work on top of it. We have also integrations, so you can, as you can see, build apps and connect them to payment services like Stripe. We can connect communication services like Slack. You can use Google Drive for files, for example, Gmail for email, and also communication. So as you can see, we have a lot of stuff to work with. And also we have community. So as you can see, you can hire a partner to help you build. Of course, that's paid. So that's pretty much how this page looks like. And now when you, as you can see, look at the prompt field, we can also hit a plus and attach a file. We can also change the AI model, but that's hidden and locked behind the paid plan. And also we have some ideas to get started, but generally I wouldn't recommend starting with these. If you are looking to create something niche, for example, something that you like and something that you have an idea for, it's best to just, give your prompts by yourself. And now, also, how do we begin? So the secret to this year's build is context. So instead of saying build a gym site, you can try something like this. So this is my prompt. Delete some unnecessary symbols from there. And in seconds, Base44 isn't just generating HTML. It's spinning up a database schema, setting up user roles, and designing a responsive UI. So watch as the app dashboard builds itself in real time. And in order to begin, just press on enter, like this. And now, as you can see, we have a new interface appeared. So we have the building process on the left. As you can see, it's now building, and it will also show you and tell you what's going on. And this is the preview window where your app will appear when it's done generating. And also, I forgot to tell you, before the AI writes a single line of logic, you can use this plan mode. So toggle it on in the prompt box. And this turns the builder into a consultant. So it will ask you questions like, should users be able to upload photos? Or do you want a subscription-based paywall? Answering these early ensures your backend is structured correctly from day one. And once the plan looks solid, you just start building. And then it will generate the entire file structure from your React components to your API routes and deploy it to a staging URL instantly. Okay, and now the next step is the visual and chat-based customization. So now for the fun part, the live editor and the visual way. So you can click on any element, for example, a button, a header, a card, and use the sidebar to tweak colors, margins, and fonts. So as you can see, my application is still building on the left, so we're going to have to wait a bit until we have the actual app in here visualized and we can actually interact with it. And I will show you how this is done, but it's pretty simple. You just click on any element on your app, right? For example, you don't like, say, the interface or the form or shape of your buttons. You go here, and then as you can see, what would you like to change? For example, I want to change the button color from yellow to red. You do that and AI does it for you. The AI way to do this is as follows. So you use the build a chat on the right. And for example, you can type make the add workout button a glowing green and move it to the top right. Just an example. And the AI doesn't just swap a class. It understands the layout context. If it needs to create a new container to make that move happen, it does it automatically. You aren't just editing, you're directing. And now the real power of Base44 is under the hood. So as you can see, guys, now our application is loading the preview, and as it does, let me explain to you. So about authentication, it's actually already there. Your app comes preloaded with magic links and Google OAuth. You don't have to configure Firebase or Supabase. Base44 handles the tokens and sessions. As you can see, we have our interface, we can interact with it, we can click on the buttons, and anything you wish to change, you can by explaining here. And if you're ready to go live, it's actually pretty easy. You just click on publish right here, and every Base44 project gets an instant SSL secured URL, which is right over here. So as you can see, you can create the visibility, which is public or private, and then click on publish app. And also you can connect, of course, your custom domain if you have one. And in this year, the DNS propagation is almost instant. So it happens in about within 10 minutes. And this is how you vibe code a professional website this year. If this Base44 walkthrough helped you launch your project today, hit subscribe, ring the bell, and like the video.